never had a girl like you. When we locked eyes, when you passed.
Hey, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are subscribed, welcome back. And if you're not, hopefully by the end of this video that will change and you'll decide to press that button down below. Today, I'm going to be doing the second cash stuffing for January for my paycheck number 2. So I'm going to do the budget with me first, and then we're going to go to the cash stuffing. First thing I'm going to start with is the number 1 income, and that's the only one I have today. Going to be budgeting $3,065, and that'll be the total. For expenses, I started with rent. That got $950. Gas and electric got $130. Audible got $16. Apple, which is for iCloud and Apple Music, that's $25. Netflix got $13. AT&T got $133. Internet got $100. Disney got $9. I started back my student loans, which got $50. And lastly, Easy Pass got $10. So let me go ahead and add this up. So that brings me to a total of $1436. So I have $1625 left over. Next, sinking funds will be getting $799 today. My savings got a deposit of $160 in my high yield savings account. Nothing for investing and nothing for extra debt payments. My savings challenges, that will be from rollover. Daily expenses will get $570, and then buffer will get $100. So I'm just going to add this up and make sure this comes out to 0. Okay, so this actually came out to $1,629 left over, and then that brings me to $0 left on my budget. So let's go ahead, count this money, and start stuffing. So today we have 1, 2, 300, 50, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 8600, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 8900, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 10, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so 1250, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1300, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 1355, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. So I have $1369 in cash that we're going to be stuffing today. And then I also have $160 that represents the money that I put in my high yield savings account. So that gives us a total of $1,529 for today's stuffing. Okay, so starting with groceries, I'm going to do $160. That's going to be $80 for each week because I am a bi-weekly budgeter. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 and 20 or 6 20s. I have 2 10s, and I'll take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't want to take the nice looking 5s. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 4 5s. So that gives me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 45, 55, 60. And again, I'm just going to split this in half. So that's going to be $80 for each week. In order to allow or to keep myself within budget for my groceries, I do my groceries as like curbside pickup through Walmart. That way I know that I have $80 worth of groceries in my cart. Anything extra, I have to take it out. Miscellaneous is going to get 2 10s and 2 5s. I don't want these ones. So that gives me $10, $25, $30 for each week. I mean, sorry, $15 for each week, $30 in total. And I'm just gonna split these up. Gas is gonna get 4 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 10s. And that'll be 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And that gives me $50 for each week. I meant to get gas today. It's supposed to snow again in Maryland, so I might need to like make a run tonight and go get gas, because when I wake up in the morning, it's gonna already be snowing. Eat out is gonna get $100 for each week. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 20s, 3 10s, and 2 5s. So that gives me 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 200. And I'm going to split this in half. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 100 for each week. Okay, and then lastly is going to be self-care. I do $80 for my nails. So 3 20s, 1 10, 2 5s. That's 20, 40, 60, 75, 80. And I'm just going to stick this here because I don't need to get my nails done just yet. And that's it for these binders. Next, we're going to start with the first sinking funds binder. My envelopes are all mixed up, so I don't do like high priority, low priority. I just do binder number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. But for the sinking funds, we're not going to count them because you know the deal. After this video, I'm going to do the sinking funds update and do the first sinking funds count for the month of January. So that's when I count all the envelopes or all the money in my envelopes, and then I bill exchange them to exchange for smaller or larger bills as needed. But for a car, I'm going to do $30. And I'm just going to slide that in there. Rich Auntie is going to get 20. And this is empty because one of my cousins just had a baby. So I sent her a baby gift. Licenses is going to get $10. Vacation is going to get $225. Household is going to get $15. I mentioned that I need to get gas. I think I also need to get a shovel and some salt. Gifts is going to get $30. That'll be a 20 and a 10. And again, that's why gifts is empty as well, because for the baby shower gift. Car insurance is going to get $81. I'm going to do a 50, a 20, a 10, and a $1 bill. And this is for my my premium. I pay every 6 months for my car insurance so that I can save a few dollars. Candle Day is going to get $5. Shopping is going to get $13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And that'll be it for this binder. Next is the holidays binder. And I have $40 going to holidays. I'm going to do $20 towards Valentine's Day. And I'll do $20 towards Black Friday / Christmas. Next is the second sinking funds binder. Uma, which is my dog, she's gonna get $55. I do need to set up a groomer's appointment soon. Weddings is gonna get $5. Taxes this pay period is gonna get $100. Renter's insurance is gonna get $6. So it's gonna be a 5 and a 1. My Melissa envelope is gonna get $36. So I'm gonna do a 20, a 10, a 5, and a $1 bill. And this is like for my birthday generally, like, which comes in July. P.O. Box is gonna get $25, and I do need to renew my P.O. Box fee this month, at the end of the month. My savings got the $160 towards my high yield savings account, so I'm just going to use fake money to indicate the money that's in the bank. Nothing for emergency fund, nothing for C3, and GP is going to get $10. And that's it for this binder. The last sinking funds binder is going to start with car registration, and that's going to get $6. My car registration I don't think is due until 2025, so I'm taking this one really slow. My Amazon Prime subscription, I do an annual subscription with this one. So this is going to get $6, and it's due next November. Family Fun is going to get $13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Nothing for retirement. Dang It, which is my miscellaneous envelope, is going to get $13 as well. And I'm just going to slide that in here. Tech is going to get $30, and it'll be a 20 and a 10. My parents is going to get the last $25. And I'm gonna add that to their envelope. So today, nothing for medical, YouTube, or Sam's Club. And that's it for this binder. Lastly, I'm going to be doing my savings challenge. Because I only had, or not only, I'm surprised I had anything, but because I had $25 left over from my spending money, I am going to add that to my envelope challenge. This one is customized for myself because it was made by one of my friends. But you can do any envelope challenge. There's a lot of them going around. So this one is a $25 envelope. So I'm going to add $25 in here. And that's going to be it for this challenge. And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that button down below. It really helps out my channel. But until next time, guys, bye-bye.
I'm in the shit in the spot, cause I don't got time for the games.